In today's fast-paced digital landscape, small businesses are presented with an unprecedented opportunity for growth and success through effective digital marketing strategies. This essential guide will walk you through the key elements of digital marketing, equipping you with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in the online marketplace. Digital marketing essentials. Website optimization. Your website is your digital storefront. Learn how to create a user-friendly, visually appealing website that engages your visitors and converts them into loyal customers. Social media mastery. Discover the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter in building brand awareness, fostering customer relationships, and driving sales. Content is king. Content marketing is the heart of your digital strategy. Explore how to craft compelling blog posts, videos, and infographics that resonate with your target audience. Search engine optimization, SEO. Uncover the secrets of SEO to improve your website's visibility on search engines, driving organic traffic to your site. Pay-per-click advertising. Learn the ins and outs of paid advertising, including Google Ads and Facebook ads, to reach potential customers effectively. Email marketing. Build a loyal customer base through personalized email campaigns that keep your audience engaged and informed. Embrace the digital age and take your small business to new heights by implementing the strategies outlined in this guide. The world of digital marketing is ever evolving, and staying informed is crucial for sustained success. Remember, your journey toward financial prosperity and personal fulfillment begins with knowledge. So, subscribe to our channel, where we regularly share valuable insights on making money and optimizing your business through digital marketing. Join our community of ambitious entrepreneurs, and together, let's turn your dreams into reality. Data-driven decisions. To thrive in the digital realm, use data to your advantage. Analyze website traffic, social media metrics, and customer behavior to make informed decisions. Digital marketing is not about guesswork. It's about interpreting data to refine your strategies. Adaptability. The digital landscape is in constant flux. What works today may not work tomorrow. Be adaptable and open to change. Embrace emerging technologies, trends, and platforms to stay ahead of the competition. Consistency is key. Building a strong online presence takes time. Consistency in your efforts, whether it's posting on social media, creating content, or running ad campaigns, is crucial. Over time, your efforts will compound, and you'll see substantial results. Customer-centric approach. Always put your customers first. Understand their needs, challenges, and preferences. Tailor your digital marketing efforts to provide value and solutions that resonate with your target audience. Networking. Connect with other small businesses, marketers, and industry influencers. Collaborations and partnerships can extend your reach and open up new opportunities. Ongoing learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in digital marketing. Consider taking online courses or attending webinars to expand your knowledge and skills. Patience and perseverance. Success in digital marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and perseverance. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Use them as learning experiences to refine your approach. Remember, in the digital world, the possibilities are endless. With dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve remarkable growth and financial success. Keep learning, adapting, and pushing your boundaries. Your small business has the potential to make a significant impact in the digital marketplace. Stay motivated, stay focused, and make your digital marketing journey a resounding success. Subscribe now and embark on a transformative journey towards business growth and financial freedom. Your success story begins here.